Welcome to Vridhi Finance, and guess what? On this weekend, we are coming back with the NASDAQ predictions as usual every Sunday, Saturday, or Monday. Even sometimes we had keep it predictions all about the NASDAQ. So what NASDAQ basically we do the chart analysis over here. Frankly speaking, there are a number of news are coming out that all about probably there will be more downfall in the market according to the financial analyst. Probably, I'm not so sure. I'm not financial analyst till dated. So frankly speaking, there are number of means why the market is going down on the in this whole week. There are number of shares are has literally gone down. So do you have any kind of reason? Then let me know into the comment. Basically, I don't know. We don't want it to target anyone, but most and major probability has everyone take a decision. We have to go with this, we have to go with that. Okay, so but when we see they wanted to go with one another decisions that influences other sectors. So do you believe it? For example, if I will take some decision for defense, then what? How the defense market will impacted? What I needs to control out? Majorly nowadays there is more newsmakers are putting a news on the war, etc., etc. And it's not like that. Nobody. I mean, I'm not aware actually why Nasdaq is falling or some is there anything expected in nearest future? The market is having a sharply going down. If we see the comparing Nasdaq, we see that crypto market is also going down. So suppose crypto market goes down, as we see there were I believe it 2019 there is a lot of thing gone down. Then there is a lockdown, and in that case majorly number of stock prices gone down even. But yeah, they recover within 5 years later. But suddenly market going down. Will this market bubble will blast and it will be remains lesser than that? I'm not sure, because if we see the market performance over here, they given a lot of volatility. I mean, suddenly it is giving high and suddenly is going down. You can see in the description of the previous videos, or you can check out our market prediction for last 2 months. We will say last 2 months, because last week I have literally given feasible market fall, but I seen the sharp downfall over here. So you can check out our previous video, so you will analyze it whether we fail, because our market expectation was has to sustain around 22,610, but it has touched up 22,273 point at NASDAQ Composite Index. Means it is even gone below 22,000. My God. And apart from that, if you see NASDAQ-100 is also literally gone down up to 24,009. Yeah, 24,900 not 24,054 was the lowest of the day on the day of closing. So on the Friday itself in NASDAQ-100. So it's quite unimaginable. Within a week, there is a sudden downfall in the market. we will come back with another video with the more analysis deep dive. Yeah, we will work on this jump up and pump up thing. I mean, in India, it's called jump and pump or dump the market. Sorry, jump and pump is equal, but dumping is quite challenging one. We should understand the sustainability of the market rather than going down more. So whatsoever, this is Sunday. I think more number or a major number of financial analysts maybe who lost their money is thinking about what to do, how to do, what is our new strategy planning to invest into the market. So do you believe it that will you invest into the market or will you hold and wait for right time to get entered into the market? Watch our videos. Yeah, I believe it since last 3 years we are promising that we will come up with IPO listing in NASDAQ, but we haven't came up because we should understand the analysis and start before entering into the market whether we have to give it to the right pricing on the day of listing. So let us see. We don't hold anything, no? So wait and watch. Probably 2026 will bring it our new old idea in a new manner. So the prediction for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100 which will be valid from 17th November 2025 till 22nd November 2025. The Composite Index minimum lower end it can goes below 22,610 points. Suppose this show the stability around 23,500 points. Suppose it goes up at highest level it can give it to you 24,000, but we are not given in return. We will give it to you in return. 23,800 is a feasible one. So NASDAQ 100 is minimum lower end it can go to 24,800 points. Suppose this give it to you stability around 25,800 points, and suppose it will goes up, it can goes below about 26,200, but we in return we are giving 25,900 points. That's all about NASDAQ predictions for both the indices. Do you believe it or not? Nowadays nothing is a big everything happen about around this is unbelievable. The stock you can check out our previous stock analysis why the market has shut down. I mean, suddenly everything is going beyond something. There is a lot of manipulations are going or something like that. We don't understand the market in that much deeply because we are new to the market. Yeah, we deliver this, give the stat about it, but the fact is that the stat comes along with the some factors, but why the market is such unpredictable and whether that really deserve it or not, that we don't understand it. So anyways, it's all about how the broker arbitrage, how these companies are performing. Is those companies really performing? Is those people are really existing? Is there is a transparency in the stock analysis? I mean, not on a virtual chart level basis, I'm asking, but the practically, if we see that, is really pay out the people, or it is on the paper only, people define it. I mean, that's quite different ways. So let's talk about the prediction of NASDAQ Composite Index, NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from the 24th November 2025 till 30th November 2025. Composite Index minimum lower end will be 21,810. We have given the volatility based on the previous selections. Stability around 22,650, maximum higher end it can goes up to 22,900 or 23,000 points. NASDAQ 100 can goes minimum downtrending 23,800, stability around 24,800, maximum higher end 25,100. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Hope you will like our video and wait and watch what we can bring it by December. Yes, we will make it. I think August, whatever we have given the target for few of the equities has up to 50% achieved it, I guess. So you can tell us what is your opinion about those hot equity which we have served in the month of August. Probably that is also down falling now because sharp falling. Anyways, we will not come up with that. Wait and watch for 100 days, 100 equity, $100 challenge. Happy Sunday in advance. Bye bye.